Good morning, judges. I am Jayal Kasar of DE Public School, Putko Bilai. With my co-worker Jasraj Singh Sindhu, we have created non-conventional eco-friendly mobile charger which can charge our phone anywhere without conventional energy. We have created this project because in remote areas where there is no electricity available or conventional source of electricity, and one cannot charge mobile use there. One cannot use mobile there because no electricity is available. So we have created this project which creates its own electricity and charges our phone. We have analyzed this data that by walking at normal speed it creates 3 volts, and by walking fast it creates 5 volts, and by running it creates 8 volts, which is enough to charge our mobile. It charges 8% of your mobile battery in 5 minutes, which is helpful in remote areas and forests to charge our phone. It charge a phone just by walking. So we have this mobile and this data cable which we will plug in our device, and this cable will be plugged in our phone, and while walking it generates energy and charge our mobile. We have created this device to exhibit in CBSE Science Exhibition. It's eco-friendly and it do not require any burning or conventional fuel to charge mobile. It is cheap and it can easily be purchased by common people. It uses non-conventional electricity, so it can be used to charge in various places like forest and wild and in remote areas. For charging a mobile, a person has to walk, so it also keeps the person healthy. And for charging a mobile, the person has to walk, so it creates a walking habit in the person, and it keeps them healthy. So it saves time and electricity bill. So we have used this MG995 servo motor and one 25 volt 1000 UF capacitor, one rectifier, one step up DC to DC module, and one charging module. 5 volt, it charges mobile with appropriate current so it doesn't get short. This is a 5 volt charging module which charges our mobile with appropriate voltage so it doesn't get short. And this servo motor, because it has gears, so it create high voltage. And one 25 volt 1000 UF capacitor, so it charges and given it equals the voltage. And one rectifier, so it will get appropriate. And we have also used step up DC to DC module, so we can also charge some high voltage mobile. And we have used one indicator here to indicate that the device is supplying current. So when we move our leg, it rotates the coil and it generates electricity. When the coil is rotated, the motor also rotates electricity, which is enough to charge our mobile. We have also used one indicator to show that electricity is passing. So when our leg moves, this coil rotates and generates electricity. So this we have put an LED which indicates that when we are walking, it is producing electricity. And the charging module also has one indicator which shows red light that the phone is charging.